Well, right now at 4:30, students are going back to school this week. There is a new warning on Long Island about whooping cough.
Yeah, the Suffolk County Health Department says the majority of the 108 new cases are school-aged children and their parents who attend school districts throughout the area. The respiratory tract infection is highly contagious, and it can be very serious for babies who are too young to be vaccinated. News 4's Pei-Sze Cheng live at Stony Brook Children's Hospital with what we need to know about this. Pei-Sze.
And Natalie, one of those pediatric patients was treated here at Stony Brook. And what's so concerning for researchers is that when these whooping cough cases happen, usually happens within a school district, a circle of people. But now these cases are spread across Suffolk County and possibly Nassau, which is why they really need to stem the number of cases.
Tom Ruffley is on his way to pick up antibiotics after a surprise diagnosis.
I thought it was the flu, yeah.
And what did they tell you it was?
It was whooping cough. So for my children, yeah.
This Setauket dad says his kids have been coughing for days. He got sick with a strange sounding cough and decided it was time to go to the doctor.
Just cough, congestion, fever, body aches, yeah, pretty much all of it.
Doctors say there's a whooping cough outbreak in Suffolk County. Last year, there were only 4 reported cases. So far in 2023, there are 108 cases.
That's the part that worries us the most. It's across multiple school districts, which tells us that it's not one problem or one thing we can fix. We have to do everything.
Dr. Sharon Nachman says it's lapses in vaccinations and better testing that likely accounts for the spike. But she says the best defense is to make sure your vaccines are up to date.
Is my child up to date on all the shots they need? And if they're not, this would be a really good time to get it.
And while people of all ages can get sick, doctors are most concerned for babies who have low immunity and school-aged children.
We're not worried. The kids are vaccinated. I mean, they're going to get sick regardless. Wash our hands, regular protocols, kind of thing like that. And we follow, and they're happy.
Now, in that case, Tom Ruffley, he said that he wasn't sure if he had gotten his booster shot, and clearly he didn't. That's why he has the whooping cough, which is why he's suggesting that people really need to call their doctors and see if their vaccinations are up to date. Also, the treatment for it is 5 days of rest as well as antibiotics, but doctors say that it's really not an easy go of it. It can be quite painful and uncomfortable, and so they're urging everyone to exercise caution. We're live from Stony Brook tonight. Pei-Sze Cheng.